Good morning from Sibiu in Romania. Today we would actually ride the last day of the ACT track, but we won't do that because we already did this track during the Dusty Lizard event. So today we will ride an intermediate route that we get from the Dusty Lizard. I can show it to you real quick. So we're here in Sibiu. We have this red line to finish the ACT day 4. And this blue line would be day 5, but we will ride this orange route today. This was the intermediate route of the Dusty Lizard, so that is what we will ride today. And yeah, the last part of the ACT day 5, which I have not seen yet, is actually the route where you can see the bears. It is this very famous road in Romania, so I will ride that when I go further south to the Danube Delta. That is the plan for now, so let's go. Our first stop is just a few hundred meters away because there's a Lidl. And I had no breakfast yet, so this is very important. Today's ride will be definitely shorter, which is not bad because all the days we were so late. There was always something, you know, first day the flood, second day the tire, third day this like hailstorm. It's impossible. I now have 9,697 kilometers and I already talked to the owner of the Motocamp and I can do my service there. So the 10k service is safe, which is very nice. I'll do the oil change. I also will put on some new tires. They lasted a long time, 10k for off-road tires. It's because I ride so slow. It's very cheap, eh? I think it starts raining. Oh wow. That's lovely. Kinda feels wrong to ride through that. I don't know. Okay, here we are. So which one? I have no idea. Damn it. Yeah, it's the same track. Look at that. That is lovely. Woo! That was wild. Wow. Just look at that. That's incredible up here. There's a car. Ah, the rain is getting stronger and stronger, which is not very nice on this grass stuff here. There's a big stone. Thank you. Nope. Up here. Woo. This is interesting, yeah. Oh, wow. Woo. Shoot-a-doo. Yeah, that would have been the easier way instead of trying to take the curve. Sometimes I really wonder what the locals think. You know, like, why do these people come to our country and ride the shittiest roads just for fun, you know? They have to go there for whatever reason, drive them with their car super slow, and we go there, yeah, hello, hi, we would like to ride our motorbike here because we're out of one of these privileged countries where everything is paved and we actually don't want paved roads. This is so funny. I would say this track is harder than everything we did on the ACT so far, which is kind of crazy. This is so lovely here. Look at the flowers on the side of the road. I love it.
They see nothing in your eyes. Go tell them all your lies. Take it all, don't bring it back. Take it all, don't bring me back. We both know we'll have to cry. To be whatever is your voice. To be what?
There's something for you. This is very small. Look, it's for takeaway, you see.
It's just waiting for someone.
Oh, it's scared.
Yeah, I thought so.
It's so cute, eh?
Don't you know we had a choice?
Bye. Oh, that's a lot of sand here. And there are dogs. Most of the villages have the dogs to protect them from the bears. But for motorcyclists, I would say the dogs are the bigger problem. So now there's more and more rain again. Damn it. I gave it a try. I was slow and he still started to follow me. The rain stopped and we're almost back at the Motocamp Sibiu, and I have my tire on the back of the bike, so I have basically no space to sit anymore. But just 12 kilometers to go. We are back where we started 1 week ago, exactly. Want to help me? What is happening here?